Hey guys, it's Team Racebar here with Summit Racing AN Fittings. Going to do a little how-to. So the first step to any project is finding a clutter-free workspace. Next, you want to measure the length of hose that you're going to cut with your tape measure. You just kind of find your fittings, and you kind of do your best to you want it to touch the ends and give it a little bit of slack, and then when you think, ow, fucking damn it. So now that we've got our length, we're gonna lay out our tape measure. Next step, lay it out, mark it. You're going to want to wrap some tape around it before you cut it with your cutoff wheel to keep the ends from fraying. Now that your end is all nice and prepared,
Okay.
they work best nice and cross-threaded. Once it's all the way in, give it a good tug and pressure testing's complete. Thanks, Summit Racing.